Right, so it's Sunday. Just up my stable permission. So I've got around about 14 acres. So I'm going to get the the Titan, the the ppmg plus, sorry, which is TTF. I've not shot it for a while, so I'm going to give it a little run out and see how I get on. I've also got Titan with me, 0.55 BSB, so if something pops up we'll try and have that as well. So there's a lot of squirrels, good squirrel permission here, plus rabbits as well, so see how we get on. Right, so I had a few shots. Looks like I can still use it. I mean, if I had a good bit of practice with it, it would be I'd be a lot better. So I've only been out with it. I think I had a go. I banded up on Friday. I got it out Wednesday. Banded up on Friday with this. I'll get to this band in a minute. And it's Sunday today, so I thought I'd come out, have a few, have a little bit of mooch, get away, sort of have a bit of a mooch about. See, I'm on one of my permissions, so I've got full permission to do pest control here. So if something that's that I can take out, I will. But at the minute, I'm just messing about with this. So we'll have a little mooch about later. So yeah, it's a good frame. It's 30mm tips, I believe. 100mm outer. It's got a good weight. It's from Pro Shot, but obviously it's a Gamekeeper John ppmg plus. They cast it, so it's got a nice weight to it. It fits the hand beautifully. I think John slimmed it down a bit because the original was quite chunky, but I like to get hold of the original because I think that would be nice as well. So I've got big old mitts, so anything big and chunky is good for me. Yeah, so it shoots nice. Yeah, if you land close, no problem. Crows. Yeah, so this one sentimental to me because last July I won a catty comp with it, so I got a trophy and all that with it. So I was over the moon with that. And I was shooting. When I got out on Wednesday, you'll see I had precise on there, 6.65 I think. So I took that off because for target, so I only wanted to shoot some target and a few tins with it and whatever. I put 100% Slingshot 0.55. This is what I use for when I'm doing target on the Titan. This is not an OTT. Sorry, this is not a TTF band set. As you can see, this is me being lazy. I had a OTT wrap and tuck band set I made because everything's done for clip, so I only use I believe they're 4mm for the Titan, so I had one. I think this was what this was just over, because I shoot at 165, so I think this was 180mm long. So I just plenty for wrap and tuck. So that's what I did, and it shoots fine. I've read comments, a lot better shots than me reckon that it doesn't affect it. I've been hitting more or less what I'm aiming at with it, so it's not affected me at all. I mean, if I was full time with it shooting comps, then obviously I would do a TTF band set, but just for today, just for a bit of a plink, it's fine. And to be honest, I will get this out more and use it, because I quite enjoyed it today. It's got a nice bit of weight to it, solid, and it's been fun, especially for fixed like 10 metres. It's well, honestly, I'm only shooting a 60mm of it, but it's doing the job. Yeah, sorry, I just had messages come through, some filming on the phone. Yeah, so it's not, I wouldn't say it's like a full review. There's a lot better reviews out there. It's just you know, I'm just trying to film some content. In the last I had a message from a guy on one of my videos saying, you know, could I do sort of, you know, what other frames I've got and sort of talk about them. So this is one that means a bit to me. I'd never get rid of it. So I won my first competition with it, so it's got that sentimental value. Plus, it's a good catty, one for the collection. Alright all, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll catch you on another video, and keep safe.